So actually this was the hairstyle I wanted to make, that's this by Candice hairstyle, because the hairstyle was given and stuff like that. But you know how things went and stuff like that, I ended up making these French curls braids. And guys, let me tell you something, like I really love the outcome of the hairstyle because it was so beautiful. Like it came out more beautiful than I expected. But anyways, as I was making the hair, it came with its own stress and stuff like that. If you make your hair yourself like every single time, you don't understand what I'm saying. The whole shoulder pain, neck pain. People that make their hair themselves don't understand. If you make your hair yourself, just let me know in the comment section how the whole stress stuff is and how you handle it. But anyways, this hairstyle is inspired by Afronita because this hairstyle is just, I've seen a couple of people do this hairstyle. I've edited a lot of videos on these French curls and stuff like that, and I was like, the hairstyle is beautiful and stuff like that, but I never saw anyone that inspired me to want to make the hair like immediately. After watching Afronita's video and dance videos, and I looked at the hair, and the hair was just so giving, and I was like, alright, let's go for this hairstyle as my birthday hairstyle. So that was it. And the whole fact that I had to make the braids tiny, I'll call this tiny because I just love something medium to jumbo size. If you know you're lazy like with the whole hairstyle stuff, let me know in the comment section. Let it not be that it's only me that has this whole lazy act stuff. That's the fact that you don't like sitting down for small hair. If you understand what I'm saying, yeah, you will know. But anyways, this is me going through the whole process of making my hair and stuff like that. So a little backstory of my whole hair stuff and how everything happened. I ordered for the extensions and it was delivered to me. But gosh, so when I ordered for the hair, everything went fine, made the payments for the hair, but then I didn't have network at my place, and it took me a week to be able to recontact the person with my hair stuff, to be able to send it to me and tell her my whole location and stuff like that. And then everything was going on smoothly, but then the hair arrived late. It arrived, my birthday was on the 8th of May last month. I would have posted this video by then, but you know the whole stuff. So anyways, you can still tell me happy birthday in arrears. Yeah, thank you. So when the birthday and the hair came, was it 4th of May? No, it should be 3rd of May. Yeah, the hair came in 3rd of May, and then I made my hair 4th of May. Guys, it wasn't funny because I had to sacrifice my sleep. I had to make my hair and still make my sister's hair because, you know, the two of us have to be looking chic when we're going for the whole birthday photo shoot and stuff like that. Why not? Don't worry, keep watching the video to the end. You'll be seeing a picture, some of my birthday pictures and that of my sister. Yeah, I think I posted it. If I didn't, I'll make sure to post it. So I had to sacrifice my sleep. Guys, it wasn't funny, and I just thank God for my younger sister because she was the one that helped me with some of my, apart from the fact that I did the parting of my hair at the back, she helped with parting my hair at the front. Apart from that, she was the one that sectioned my extensions, that is my attachments. So she was the one picking it out and giving it to me to be able to braid my hair. Long story short, both of us sacrificed the sleep for the hair, and at the end of the day, I got a beautiful result from the whole hair stuff and stuff like that. And I'm so happy, like I was able to make this hair for my birthday, because at some point I was like, am I even going to end up making my hair? Maybe I'm just going to have to do some low bun stuff hairstyle for the birthday stuff. But then God was like, no, this time around you are going to make a final hair for the birthday and stuff like that. So that was that. And yeah, did I miss anything out? No. So I didn't use gel for the braiding of this hairstyle. I didn't have gel, so I didn't use it. And even if I had gel, I feel it's like the more stressful to do the gel, like to use the gel for my hair, because I was working with putting gel on my hair was taking much more time. So yeah. Anyways, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye. And yeah, I forgot one more thing. If you're a brand out there and you deal with extensions and braid stuff, DM me, like send me